Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make your website private in Hostinger website builder. I will show you two methods. The first one shows this coming soon page, and the second one shows this page not found error or empty page. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. This is next to the websites that you want to unpublish or make it private or turn it off or make it offline on Hostinger Website Builder. Click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and as you see, it is available online. Now, how to turn off how to make it unavailable to public online? Simply, there are two methods. The first one is by enabling this coming soon feature. While coming soon mode is active, visitors will see this page instead of any other website page. Publish your website for this to take effect. Enable the coming soon feature like this and close this window, and don't forget to update your website to publish this coming soon page change. As you see, my website is updated. Let's view it live. And as you see, the coming soon page is what is available. Now, this is good that my website was or stayed open on this another Google Chrome tab. Now let's test if I have access to a website inside page. Will I be redirected to this coming soon page, or will I get access? So let's click on menu. As you see, page not found. Let's return to the home page, the coming soon. So this coming soon, or this coming soon method is really working, but I'm not sure. But if you want to make if you want to be more than 100% sure that no one can access your website, the second method that I recommend you to do is to go back to the Hostinger account, then click on websites. This is the website we are working. Let's say that this is the website I want to make it private. So the method requires you to duplicate the website like this. Select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. Now that this new website is duplicated 100%, let's make sure that it's the same website. As you see, it uses the same home page, the same navigation menu and pages. Now that I have a duplicated copy, I can simply delete the published copy or the original copy like this. I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and cannot be recovered. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes. Click on done. Website being deleted. Let's wait for it to be completely deleted. It's been 10 seconds now. Usually just 10 seconds. Usually just a 10-second moment is enough to be completely deleted. So let's refresh the page. And as you see, no more the published website or the original website is completely deleted. And if you try to access the duplicated copy using the temporary address, it shows page not found. So this second method is more secured if your website access is something very important for you or crucial. So I recommend you to second method. Or the first one is it shows it's more aesthetics or beautiful. And this is how to make your website private in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.